Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into a cookware set that promises to revolutionize your kitchen organization and cooking experience, the CAROTE 9-piece pots and pans set in Malta Blue. If you're tired of cluttered cabinets and struggling to find matching lids, this set might just be your answer. Let's start with what immediately sets this CAROTE set apart, the detachable handles. This isn't just a gimmick. The ability to remove the handles transforms these pots and pans into incredibly space-saving pieces. CAROTE claims it saves up to 70% more space, and honestly, when you see them stacked neatly without the handles, it's easy to believe. This is a game-changer for smaller kitchens, RVs, or anyone who values a tidy and organized culinary space. The click-on, click-off mechanism feels secure and surprisingly robust, allowing you to go from stovetop to oven, or even directly to the dining table, with a single handle. Beyond the clever storage solution, CAROTE emphasizes the health and safety aspects of this cookware. The ceramic coating is completely non-toxic, free from PFAS and other harmful chemicals. This is a significant selling point for many consumers today who are increasingly conscious of what they're cooking with. The eco-friendly and healthy ceramic cookware promise is a welcome one, offering peace of mind with every meal you prepare. The versatility of this set is another major highlight. The detachable handles aren't just for storage. They enable these pots and pans to be truly multifunctional. You can start a dish on the induction stovetop, transfer it to the oven to finish cooking, then serve it directly from the pan to the table, all without needing to swap cookware. They are also oven-safe, dishwasher-safe, and even fridge-safe, making them incredibly adaptable for various cooking and storage needs. This makes them a fantastic option for those who need cookware that can handle multiple tasks and environments. Now, let's talk about what's actually in the box. This 9-piece set includes an 8.5-inch frying pan, a 10-inch frying pan, and a 2-quart saucepan. Crucially, it comes with one removable handle, 2 pan protectors to keep your non-stick surfaces safe when stacked, and 2 utensil sets, likely spatulas or spoons. The inclusion of these accessories is a nice touch, meaning you have a functional set right out of the box. The Malta Blue color also adds a touch of aesthetic appeal, making your cookware look as good as it functions. Of course, no review would be complete without looking at the potential downsides. While the detachable handle system is innovative, some users might find the constant attaching and detaching a minor inconvenience during active cooking if they need to move a pan frequently. The weight capacity of the handle is impressive, but naturally, you'll want to ensure it's fully clicked in place before lifting heavier loads. Also, like all non-stick cookware, proper care is essential to maintain the longevity of the ceramic coating. While the set is dishwasher safe, hand washing is generally recommended for non-stick surfaces to preserve their performance over time. CAROTE does offer a 12-month warranty from the date of purchase, which is a reassuring commitment to their product quality. This means if you encounter any issues, you have a clear path for support. In conclusion, the CAROTE 9-piece pots and pans set in Malta Blue offers a compelling blend of innovative design and practical functionality. The detachable handle system is the star of the show, delivering exceptional space-saving capabilities and enhanced versatility. Combined with its non-toxic ceramic coating and multi-environment adaptability, this set is a strong contender for anyone looking to upgrade their cookware, especially those with limited kitchen space or a desire for healthier cooking options. It's a well-rounded package that addresses common kitchen pain points with thoughtful solutions. Link in the description.